Hi fam! Welcome to our vlog today and you are watching PM's Live! And guys, for today's vlog, I'm very excited because once again, 18 in the house! Woot woot woot! For this vlog episode guys, I'm very excited because may kasama tayo. I'd like to introduce Karamia! Okay naman yan. Okay naman yan. Hi fam! Hi 18! Welcome back to my channel and you're watching PM's Live. For today's vlog, I am not gonna do it alone.
Nice!
Hello guys! Hello 18! I am Joanna. I am an O18 malala. So, and yes, magkapatid kami ni PM. And we stand SB19 together.
And today, fam, ngayong gabi 18, manonood tayo. Ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako sa excitement. Manonood tayo sa isa sa pinaka malala. Kung hindi man ang pinaka legendary performances, live performances ng SB19, ang Dongka sa Wish Bus Stopover Sessions. Samahan niyo kami ni Bunso, okay?
Live vocals, nasa taas ng bus. Let's go!
Let's go! Hi fam! Welcome back to our channel 18! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. And I'm very excited because sabi nga namin kanina, right? Gagawa tayo ng reaction review sa SB19's live performance ng Dongka sa Wish Stopover Sessions. And again, I just wanted to share, we wanted to share with you, paano nga ba kami na-in-love sa SB19? Di ba?
Paano nga ba?
So, well, in my previous vlog, eto, paano ko ba patungan ko yung mukha niya. So,
dito na lang.
Ayan, yeah, dyan. Sa vlog na to guys, nabanggit ko briefly that myself, I have not immediately fallen in love with SB19. No? But
hindi yung mga unang taon nila.
Exactly. However, when their momentum hit yung I believe that was Wyatt. WY80 and pagtatag, ayan, medyo sobrang na-appreciate ko na sila, lalo na si Stel because of his vocal powers. Pero, ayun, and then everything is history. Ikaw ba, Bunso?
Ako, hindi ko hilit siya. Hindi, pero hindi ko pa sila masyadong kilala. Even Wyatt eh. I think na una ko silang napansin, Gento na talaga.
Oh.
And then, feeling ko at some point, since basher ako, feeling ko, nung mga Wyatt days nila, nung What nila, nung Go Up nila, siguro kung napanood ko yon parang magki-cringe ako. Ganun ako ka-basher. Pero, nung nag-Gento, and then I think, ang ano ko talaga na naging fan ako.
That was your turning point?
Naging turning point ko, na naging fan ako, is napanood ko yung, I think, AAA nila, yung Asian Award something, na may kasama silang NP
yan
na
yung Asian Music Awards?
Yeah,
and then it was a collab performance
with NP. Tapos sabi ko, ay, ang galing nito. And then, siguro, feeling ko kung hindi nga, di ba nabanggit ko yun yung nakaraan sa'yo, na parang feeling ko kung hindi dumaan sa FYP ko, yung performances nila, ayun, tas hanggang sa yung All By Myself ni Stel, na parang, yun. Ikaw ba? Sino bang, bias?
Bias? I think it would be Stel. Stel for me.
Sinong record?
Wrecker, siguro, nung una si Justin, pero eventually, and probably lalo na nung na naglabas sila nung mga updates sa sa Simula at Wakas, then yung EP nila Pablo and Justin. Ikaw?
Bias ko si Stel.
Okay.
Aside sa napaka-husay yung singer, iba yung personality niya. Like, parang kapag siya yung tao na he can light up any room. Sunshine talaga.
Yep.
And then ang wrecker ko, Pablo, genius. Sobrang musical, siya, genius. Magaling.
Yeah, he's a good mix of genius. Both musicality, businessman,
art.
Yep,
Like,
and
he's an
creativity. Well, Justin also, pero yeah, baby boy kasi. So, but anyway.
Uy, pero alam mo, yun isa yun sa mga, gustong itanggal na, hindi naman, stigma or stereo.
Misconception.
Hindi naman misconception, pero kasi people see Justin as the bunso. Which is totoo naman, bunso siya. Pero syempre, sometimes, when you look at a person na baby boy, nakakalimutan natin na a baby boy can also be different, things. Correct, different person. And nakakalimutan minsan na creative director nila si Justin.
Exactly.
So mahusay na bata. Mahusay na baby boy talaga siya.
Wow!
Magaling.
Pero yeah, sige, let's go ahead and proceed with our live reaction review. So, what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna watch the video here sa ating tablet. Ayan, pero, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, guys, andyan ang ating Mahalima!
Uy! Sige, mamaya.
Huwag ka muna magulo dyan.
Excited ako, na-excite na ako.
Okay, so guys, if you wanted to watch this Wish Bus live performance ng Dungka, ng ating Mahalima, guys, andyan lalagay namin ni Bunso sa description box. Panoorin nyo po yung buong performance nila, alright? So, let's start with our...
Come on! Let's go! Are you guys ready? Let's go to summer!
Did you see that?
Wait, I think...
Did you see that? The aerial shot?
I think intended siya.
So...
Galing! Ang galing!
Okay guys, saglit Ipinost namin, we're at the timestamp ng 20 seconds pala. 23 to be precise. So, nag-pause kami. So, somewhere around 19-20 seconds, yung aerial shot, na-fascinate ako kasi anong nakita mo?
One.
Exactly. So, you will see that, guys. Ipopost natin dito yan. Post natin dito. Ang galing. Okay, tuloy tayo.
Wait.
Sige, may sasabihin ka, Bunso.
So, nasabi ko yan kanina na anong tawag dito, ang daming tao. Usually, ang Wish Bus talaga, kapag may performance sa loob, like, super konti lang. Konti lang ng viewers. Mamaya i-google natin kung ilan yun.
Ayan siya!
Ay, oh my gosh, oo nga.
Okay, so yung sinasabi ni Bunso, it's like on a typical Wish Bus roadshow. Parang ganyan, di ba? So usually, di ba kasi they make...
Wish Bus Live!
Wish Bus Live makes its stop sa iba't ibang location. So minsan yan nasa BGC, minsan nasa Quezon City. Pero ito, first time ba ito, no? Bunso? First time yata siya that Wish Bus, again, this is the stopover sessions. And first time yata nila, correct me if I'm wrong, Bunso, that they have set up a stage outside the bus. Tama?
I think this is the very first time na ginawa ng Wish Bus yun. And I don't know if it's just in the Philippines. 18, help us. Is it if it's just in the Philippines or worldwide na una nilang ginawa yun na outside. And also, yung number of attendees, gusto ko siyang i-google para i-confirm. Pero ang pagkakatanda ko, bago nila ilabas talaga to. Because you know what, I was planning to go. Kaya lang, kasi parang sabi nila, 6 o'clock yung start. May nakita ako sa, hindi ko alam kung Threads or X. Nakita ko, parang 8 o'clock pa lang ng umaga, may mga tao na doon na parang, pupunta ba ako? Ang pagkakatanda ko, 18 talaga sila. Anong tawag dito? Ang pagkakatanda ko, 6,000 ang attendees. Parang
dito?
Yes. Imagine, parang na siyang stadium, grabe.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. Alam mo din how they use the water
parang ibang nagpupumilit kahit di bitaw.
Yes, ma-join. Baby boy! Masabi ko lang saglit lang. Gusto ko lang mag-pause dito for a second guys because I wanted to highlight si Pablo, and that was Pablo, no? So, si Pablo, na kilala ko siya talaga because of his ability sa rap, sa pagra-rap, at saka sa pagsusulat ng kanta. Pero recently, particularly sa EP nila na Simula at Wakas, alam mo, well, in all fairness, lahat sila, I don't know what your thoughts are dito, pero lahat sila, they have matured when it comes to their vocal skills, no? Pero si Pablo, kung napansin mo yung shift niya doon, from natural voice, dinahandahan niya ng pa-chest to head tone, ang galing.
Pero live monsters.
Exactly. Okay, so live to 18 pa. So
dito sa bahay ko, bawal ang magulo.
Go Josh. Uy!
Meron ako isi-share kasi nakita ko yung water gun. Si Pablo, meron pa yan dun sa, basta merong sa group na parang ang sabi pa niya, kasi nung araw na to, umuulan. Hindi na umuulan, pero umaambon. Sabi pa niya, mag-ingat daw at magdala ng... Yung pala mambabasa pala sila. Okay, go.
May pahari. Grabe. Go Josh.
Gusto ko talaga yung line na yon ni Josh na kapag hitik sa bunga, puno ng iba, nagdadabog ka. Na parang crab mentality.
At its finest.
Pero galing talaga ng ano bang tawag sa ganun?
Lyricism
ni Olbap. Galing.
Yeah. Musical genius talaga si Pinuno eh. Pero, you know, kanina lang, on our way home from church, pareho kami diba, so we were talking about, you know, the music of SB19 na lahat, well, I would say not probably lahat, sorry, let me correct myself, but at least yung mga songs na familiar ako at I have loved, I could say that ang galing nung pagkakasulat dahil nakaka-create ng connection sa tao. Right? So whether you are an 18, whether you are a fan, whether you are a casual, right? Masasabi mo talaga na parang, uy, tinamaan ako dun di ba no? Parang ang galing. Plus, of course, yung melody, di ba? I mean, mapapagalaw ka talaga dito.
At saka, yung mga kanta nila, may mga times na mapag-iisip ka talaga na bakit ito yung lyrics. Meron ako naalala na sinabi ni Pablo dati na minsan, meron siyang ginagawang mga kanta na ito yung ano ng ibang tao, ito yung perception ng ibang tao. Pero yung perception niya iba. Pero minsan sinasabi niya, yung perspective niya iba. Pero sinasabi niya na oo nga no, parang pwede rin yun. Pero mag-iisip ka talaga sa lyrics nila, mahusay.
Correct. So yun nga, because it's the power of connection, di ba? Yung
makaka-relate.
Yung magic, correct. That's the word, relatability.
Kapag ako na, nagpakawa na, baka ito ba paghahanapin nila?
Pagkakawa si Baby Stelco. Boyfriend ng Papateo ka talaga no?
part
Sa video.
sa video na si Ken, halos nasa iisang side lang siya. And I think most of mga CCO alam to na Ken is afraid of heights.
Oh, meron siya acrophobia?
Yes. Sobrang takot siya. So, anong tawag dito? Even pag nakita nyo yung ibang mga nila na mataas sila.
Yeah.
Talagang,
yung yung concert nila, right?
yes.
Nagkaroon sila ng floating platform. So, ibig mo sabihin, talagang tiniis niya yun for us?
Oo, di ba? Siya pa yung nasa gitna. Kung makikita niyo siya doon, talagang nakahawak siya ng bongga sa likod.
Sa tali.
Tapos, meron silang meme na ginawa, na ginanon niya kasi si Pablo. Sobrang takot siya talaga sa heights. Kaya kung minsan titingnan niyo dito sa video, sa buong video, hindi siya ganun
comfortable.
O, hindi siya kagalaw-gaw, hindi siya masyadong sumasayaw.
Pero ang taas din naman yan.
Even right here, ang kulit-kulit ko,
Hindi na naman mapakalit ko. Patikin. Masabi ko lang guys, you've heard that note. I mean, this is a classic example of why 18 loves, well, of course, the Mahalima, pero si Stel, yung iba talaga eh. Like, parang lalabas na lang yung parang, kanina nagsasalita siya ngayon, he's hitting the notes na parang saan galing yun. And nakakatuwa kasi, at least nung napanood ko yung mga day 2 performance, kasi si Bunso, they went to the day 2 ng So. I was in the day 1. So, ayan, panoorin nyo na lang yung vlog natin ng day 1 dyan sa baba, nasa description link. But anyway, ayun, ang galing ng ad-libs niya. I mean, iniiba-iba niya, hindi siya yung parang yun at yun. So, mapapaano ka talaga na parang may different flavor. Kaya nakakatuwa panoorin.
Kaya lagi silang sinasabi na parang ang lakas ng backing track ba yun? Backtrack?
Backing track, yeah. Backing track.
Parang ang lakas daw. Kasi napaka-stable ng boses nila. Like, ang gulo-gulo na, ang dami-dami na nangyayari. Tatalon-talon sila, pero hindi mo mariringgan talaga kapag nag-live sila na shaky.
Yep.
Hindi man perfect, pero parang isipin mo, live ba to? Live ba tong pinanonood ko? Kasi sabi nga sa dam, higitan yung sagad, pero ito tinataas pa talaga nila. Parang,
sagad. Oh, yun na nga, diba? Go, baby! Sana all binabasa.
Thank you so much, 18!
Grabe.
Pwede mo mag-request?
Yeah!
Pwede mo bilang kung tatlo, sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw na Thank you, Wish Boss! In 3, 2, 1!
Piling nila yan.
Maraming salamat, Agent! Thank you.
Ayun na nga, fam, no? So, 18, you've seen the live performance. Siguro, let's talk about briefly kung ano yung mga, well, you wanna go first, Bunso? Ito muna. What do you think? So, well,
nakanganga pa ako dito.
having been able to perform before when I was younger, no? So, sobrang ina-admire ko yung artistry ng SB19. And when I say artistry, that also is in reference dun sa connection nila sa 18 plus yung buong audience nila. Why I say that is because doon ka, no? You've seen probably the music video, you've seen yung mga clips from their concert, di ba? Napakalikot ng song na to. But here, sa live performance nila sa Wish Bus, they were just on top of the bus. They were just holding their squirt guns. Pero why is everyone going crazy, diba? It is because it is because of the song. For me, it's the song, the melody, plus overall, it's the Mahalima itself. So I would say that this performance it remains true dun sa brand ng SB19 wherein it's all about musicality, it's all about their love for music, and more importantly, it's their love for the 18 community. So, and obvious naman, nakita niyo naman yung crowd kanina. Nagulat lang kami ni Bunso na naka-shape pala siya ng one. I don't know if that... Guys, comment down below kung napansin niyo yung one na yon. Let us know what your thoughts are. But anyway.
Galing. And I was thinking na iba talaga yung pagmamahal nila, not just sa music, but also sa 18 talaga.
Yeah.
Because if you think about it, etong performances na nilang to, yung nasa loob ng bus and yung outside the bus, libre.
Yeah,
walang binayad.
Yeah.
Ang mga umattend dito, talagang literal na free concert siya.
Thank you, Wish.
Almost, di ba sabi nga, thank you, Wish, boss. So, talagang kumbaga, libre
Yeah.
lahat. Pero kung titingnan mo, even nung nasa loob sila and nasa labas sila, ang lala ng performance na para bang tag 50 million yung binayad sa kanila. And hindi siya, it's not subpar. Yung talagang hit nila palagi.
Dahil libre ka walang bayad, bababaan ko yung quality.
Correct.
That's a good one.
And ang sinasabi kasi nila, ang sinabi ni, hindi ko alam kung si Stel yung nagsabi nito na, or si Pablo, na nung nagsisimula pa lang kasi sila, di ba yung mga 250 na 18, yung mga lumang tao.
Yung mga OG 18.
Na sinasabi nila na kahit na ang nanonood na lang sa kanila ay 7 tao, na yung mga 7 tao na yon pamilya at kaibigan pa nila. Eh talagang they give their best. They give their all. Na parang ito, parang iniisip ko kasi minsan, grabe no, parang ito talaga minsan, naisip ko na nasa tamang fandom talaga ako. Na,
wow!
Ang galing, parang like
it's
18 will not 18, Mahalima will make you think kung ano yung mga desisyon mo sa buhay. Basta galing.
Pero alam mo Bunso, I love that perspective kasi yung nowadays, no, and I am not going to mention any other artist, pero nowadays it's mostly about the money, you know. Pero I mean, let's say it out loud, you know, once the entertainment, it's business. Pero yung sinabi nga ni Bunso, yung mapapanganga ka na lang talaga, mapapaisip ka na wala naman akong binayaran, pero parang feeling ko nandun ako sa na all-out concert performance, right? I mean, but that's a really good.
Sobrang ma-appreciate mo sila kasi hindi mo makikitaan na walang energy.
Correct.
Parang ako nga minsan pag tinitignan ko sila at nakikita ko yung mga activities nila, minsan talaga iniisip ko, bakit gano'n?
Hindi sila napapagod.
Na parang minsan naisip ko, sila nga kakagaling lang sa 2-day concert.
Correct.
Kinabukasan, tawang-tawa ako kasi may mga nakikita ako, may nag-workout, may lumabas sa kasama yung family.
Yes,
Tapos ako nasa kama kasi pagod na pagod.
No, but that's true. I guess it's because how they have been groomed by the training na pinagdaanan nila. And aminin natin, 18, right? SB19 has been through a lot. Again, hindi kami OG 18, pero you know, given on what we see online when we did our research, talagang grabe katakot-takot ang pinagdaanan ng SB19 from nobody watching their shows, their performances.
And all the bashing
Exactly. Pero more than that, ngayon, yung sinabi nga ni Bunso na now that they have transitioned to this space in their career na parang, dude, mag-post lang ako, I will do a show. Andyan lahat ang 18, right? Na may bayad o wala, we will be there. So, and that's the magic of SB19.
Sila na talaga, they set the standard. Merong nakalimutan ko yung yung lyric ng isang kanta nila na they set the tone. Basta yon, ang galing talaga. Parang kung papanoorin mo sila ng live, and I've seen them live, parang ikaw na lang yung magtatanong sa sarili mo na nagagawa nila, di ba? Parang sa dami ng pinagdaanan nila. And kasi ako na pumasok ako sa black hole. Like, ang lala talaga nung pinanonood ko yung mga videos
Performances nila.
Hindi lang performances, like
all about them.
Yung
anything about them.
Oo, yung vlogs nila, ganyan, na parang itong mga taong to, mamahalin mo talaga sila, not just because they're good in singing live.
Correct, live.
Hindi lang yung live, pero ang gagaling din talaga nila as a person.
I think they are apart from being great and amazing artists, they are also amazing human beings. No, so and that's why the 18 community sobrang pagmamahal sa Mahalima. But anyway, Bunso, before we probably end today's vlog, I wanted to ask you, ano sa performance na to yung pinaka-highlight sa'yo?
Madami eh. Una yung
siguro 2 or 3.
Yung kay Ken. Kasi nga alam naman natin almost lahat no na si Ken ay takot sa heights. So they will conquer their fears para lang makapagbigay ng best para sa K-18.
Yeah.
Ikalawa, ang daming nagmamahal talaga sa SB19 na kahit na maghintay na napakatagal, umuulan talaga nito bago
alam
to
ko umaambon yan eh.
Oo, umaambon ng malakas. And talagang magbibigay ng time ang 18 para sa Mahalima. And siguro, ayun nga, ito yung performance nila na alam ko talagang libre, pero wala talaga. Hindi mo sila pwedeng insultuhin sa live.
So quality.
Quality talaga. Sobrang
good item.
Quality.
Good item siya. Siguro for me, apart doon sa mga binanggit mo, Bunso, na idadagdag ko lang doon, si Stel. Yun, tsaka yung mata ni Stel, tsaka...
Stel lang pala.
Stel lang pala. Napakabayan.
Yung ganda-ganda ng mata naman ko.
Yeah, but anyway, kidding aside, it would be, apart from yung mga binanggit ni Bunso na yung going out of the Mahalima's comfort zones, no? Just to give us 18 the love and to return, to give back the love that we are giving the Mahalima. And also yung quality and consistency. I think that's the word, quality and consistency. But also apart from that, I just like to highlight na it's SB19. You know, parang period, right? So, parang, kumbaga, andyan na yung pagmamahal ng 18 sa kanila. And it's all about the love that it's being given to the Mahalima, plus the Mahalima returns back to us, the 18 community. So, this is, again, the first reaction review that we did here in our channel. So, nakakataba ng puso kasi actually sinuggest yan ni Bunso na parang since kuya natapos na yung so again, I was there in day 1 and she was with my 2 cousins in day 2. Sabi niya, lumabas na yung Wishmas performance.
Let's
so,
go!
Kaya ayan guys, well, if you've been with us up until this point of the vlog guys, maraming salamat 18, maraming salamat fam, and kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe guys, please subscribe to the channel na guys, ayan, pindutin nyo na po, and plus yung bell button, pindutin nyo na so you guys are all updated. Again, PM's Life, this channel, it's all about day in my life, travel diaries, and our cover songs. So, at tabayaran nyo lang guys, and meron kaming exciting content. Hopefully next weekend we'll be able to share that with you 18. So until then, this is
Joanna.
This is Mrs. Stel. Char! This is Galit. This is PM guys, and as I always say, choose kindness, stay happy, and always take care of yourself. Bye bye. Dunk. Stop open.